Flype.me Crypto Swap Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Flype.me are in the description. Flype.me is a non-custodial, instant crypto swap platform designed for users who prioritize privacy, speed, and security. It requires no registration or KYC verification, allowing you to exchange cryptocurrencies while keeping your identity protected. With support for over 40 cryptocurrencies, Flype.me provides a straightforward way to swap assets with fixed exchange rates, ensuring you get exactly what you expect without slippage. The platform operates with a fully automated process. You select the cryptocurrencies you want to exchange, input your wallet address, and send the funds. Flype.me finds the best available rate and completes the transaction within minutes. Since there are no deposit or withdrawal limits, it's ideal for both small and high-volume trades. Security is a core feature of Flype.me. Because it is non-custodial, user funds are never held by the platform, eliminating the risks associated with centralized exchanges. Transactions occur directly on the blockchain, and the platform ensures encryption and security measures to protect user data. Additionally, Flype.me offers API integration, making it a useful tool for businesses and developers looking to automate crypto swaps. The user-friendly interface makes the platform accessible to both beginners and experienced traders. Without the hassle of account creation, users can perform swaps quickly and efficiently. Flype.me also supports revenue sharing for those who hold its native FYP token, offering an additional incentive for long-term users. Flype.me is best suited for individuals and businesses seeking anonymous, fast, and hassle-free crypto exchanges. Whether you're an investor looking to swap assets efficiently or a trader avoiding centralized platforms, Flype.me offers a secure and private solution. Overall, Flype.me is a reliable and efficient crypto swap platform. With no signups, no limits, and fixed rates, it stands out as a privacy-focused, user-friendly choice. Links to Flype.me are in the description.